Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy, cheesy, 4-ingredient broccoli casserole using just these ingredients. And I've got a blog post down below which I will leave, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. And I originally shared this recipe a couple of years ago, and I even shared a video of it, but it wasn't part of a full day of eating. And in case you didn't watch that one random video ages ago, I thought I would share it again, since I make this so often. At least every couple of weeks I make this easy broccoli casserole. So I'm going to get on and make it, starting by chopping up all of my broccoli over here and popping it into a baking dish. And to briefly go through the other ingredients, I've got fresh cream over here. Just use pouring cream, or just use any cream that you have in your fridge really. I've got sour cream. I just love the combo of sour cream and cream. It's just beautiful. And the cheese I'm using is this extra mature white cheddar, but use any cheese you like. If you want, you can use 1, 2, 3, as many cheese options to make it extra cheesy too. So I've now got all the broccoli chopped into bite-sized pieces. As you can hear by the noise behind me, the oven is on. I've preheated it to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. And also just a note, I have kept the stalk. I've just trimmed this edges a bit. You can totally keep this broccoli stalk. You can pop it through a spiralizer, and you've got broccoli noodles. You can chop it up and into little discs and pop it into a salad. I've got it included in my broccoli salad, which I shared ages ago as well. So yeah, no waste when you're cooking with broccoli. You can definitely keep the stalk and use that again. But now we're gonna pop all of the creamy deliciousness over the broccoli. So I've now got broccoli chopped, I've grated cheese, and now we'll add the cream and the sour cream. Starting with half a cup of cream. Half a cup of sour cream, and we'll grab half a cup of that cheese, and we'll pop that in as well, and we'll give it a good toss through so the creaminess is all incorporated amongst the broccoli and the cheese gets in every little biteful until you're happy, just like that. And then just top it with another half a cup of grated cheese, and then it's going to go into the preheated oven, which has just come up to temperature wonderfully. It's going to go in for 25 to 30 minutes until you've got a lovely cheesy topping and a crisp and crunchy broccoli casserole. So it's going to go in the oven, and I'll show you once it's done. And it's out the oven. Look how beautiful and cheesy all of the broccoli is. It smells pretty incredible, and if you take a fork into it, you can see it's lovely and cheesy, and there's just cheese and crispiness with every biteful. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this recipe a try and what you think of it, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.